I'm painting cats tonight. I just finished this one. It's a mini painting. I didn't video it because I wasn't sure it would turn out right, but I like the way it turned out. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to do another one. I'm going to video this one. You can notice on here that I've done a kind of an outline of a cat, and I've painted the eye. And the reason I painted the eye is because the rest of the painting is going to be really watery and sloppy, and I don't want that eye to be watery and sloppy. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to use a very dark brown, almost black, Van Dyke brown, and probably some burnt sienna on this, and a lot of water. Remember this, the paint will spread to wherever you put the water, and it won't go beyond where you put the water. Okay. So I'm going to start with the tail. I'm just going to put the water on there. By the way, the sketch on here is drawn with a watercolor pencil, which will dissolve when water touches it. We hope. So I'm painting just with water. And I'm going to put a little bit of the color on. Notice I'm not going all the way out to the edge of the drawing. I'm letting the paint just spread in whatever way it wants to spread. And there it is. I need some more water. And then I'm going to wet the body of the cat. The paint spreads more, which is fine. We don't care. It should go where it wants to go. I'm putting quite a lot of water on there, just to get the paint to spread around. All right, now I'm going to add a little paint. You can actually move the paint around by tipping your paper. Now here comes an interesting part. Would be adding another color in and letting the colors run together. We'll just see how it goes. That may not work. I make no promises here. But I thought it was a dang good idea. All right, and you notice it's a three-legged cat. Well, we're going to fix that. Don't worry. Oops. I put the wrong color in there. You notice on this face, on the cat's face, I didn't wet the paper first. Because I don't want it to run as much together on the cat's face as on other parts of the cat. So that's the thing with watercolors. You control it by the amount of water you add. And how do you learn to do that? You experiment. You practice. And then you know what it'll look like when you paint it. Well, there's a little dark brown cat. Now, let's fix this three-leg part. This three-leg problem. I'm going to make this leg very light colored. Like it's on the other side of the body. And I can't make it darker because the whole cat is very dark. So I make it very light. But that is. There he is. I'm not sure I like that leg over there. It's kind of more dark than I wanted it. Take some paint off. There we go. The way I'm taking the paint off is I dry out the brush on a paper towel, and then I run the brush over the painting and put just a tiny bit of burnt sienna on there. I run the brush over the painting, and then I dry it off again on a paper towel. It makes it, the brush absorbs the paint as you're taking it off, and then you just get rid of it on a paper towel. I keep getting lines. I keep fixing it. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm not going to touch it anymore. It's good. It's a cat. Whew, okay. I'm going to call that a cat. Oops. It's also really wet. Don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.